this video, I'm going to teach you guys everything you need to know about CVD and how to use it in your trades. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 different things that I look for. Our first 2 are going to be bullish, which is exhausted sellers, and then selling pressure absorbed. And then our last 2 are bearish, exhausted buyers, and buying pressure absorbed. We're going to start with our first bullish difference, and that's going to be when we have an exhausted seller divergence. And it's very simple, guys. I'm going to keep price action on the left side and CVD on the right side the whole entire video. Simply just take down all these notes in your journal and you will learn this within the next couple days. So when price creates a lower low and CVD creates a higher low, that is an exhausted seller divergence, telling us that basically the big sellers are slowing down and they're kind of getting out. This just simply means that the sellers got to their point that they're taking out of their position and it's time to flip the market. So this type of pattern is what you want to see when we're at a key level, showing us that we've gone far enough through that level, and now we're going to start to look for a pattern to the upside. Our second bullish divergence is selling pressure absorbed, and this simply is when price creates a higher low and CVD creates a lower low. And this simply means that the sellers are still hitting the market hard, but there was a big resting order that basically absorbed them and took them all out. That means that there's big money coming in and they're buying up all the orders. This is exactly what we want to see when we're looking for a bounce. Now our third divergence is going to be bearish. This is exhausted buyers, and this is the exact one just flipped around now. You want to see price make higher high and CVD make a lower high. And this is the same reason as before. Buyers are just starting to run out of their positions and they're closing out. So we want to see this when we're rejecting out of a level. And our last divergence is again the same thing, just flipped around. You want to see price make a lower high and CVD make a higher high. Now this simply just means that buyers keep lifting the price, but there's a big order again that takes over those prices and just absorbs them, and price keeps moving lower. This is what we want to see at a rejection level, same exact thing. This is an example of exhausted sellers. You see price here make a lower low and CVD make a higher low. Then showing big displacement as well, getting us an entry into longs here for a 2-hour return. Here's an example of selling pressure being absorbed. We see price make a higher low and CVD make a lower low. Then you see the buyer start to come in displacement and you get an entry. This example is buying pressure being absorbed. We see price make a lower high, and on CVD it makes a higher high. We then get a pattern to enter and take this for a 2-hour return. This is exhausted buyers. You see price make a higher high, and on CVD we make a lower low. We then break structure here and get a beautiful trade. This was taken live on my TikTok stream. Here we see selling pressure being absorbed with price creating a higher low and CVD making a lower low. We then again got displacement on CVD and price action, got an entry. This didn't play out as clean as some of the other ones, but we still hit take profit on this for a 2-hour return. Guys, use all these examples in your notes and learn these over the next couple weeks. Start to notice them in your daily trading, and guys, it is a huge tool for me. You guys see them almost every day in my trade recaps as well, just proving the point on how strong that they truly are. So guys, those are the 4 things that I look for in CVD and price action. If you took notes throughout this whole video and review your notes over the next week, you will start to notice these over the charts. This is something I use every single day to give me a confirmation into a trade. This basically makes it an A+ setup most of the time, because this is real order flow coming from the real volume and orders of the market. So yeah guys, if you guys want to see more detail about my trades, you could join my free trading Discord linked in the description. It is 100% free. We're almost at 1,000 members, so feel free to join up. Then on Monday, I launched Preview Trading, which is basically a tool for every single day trader that runs you a dashboard and gives you tons of information every single day. This is a dashboard for ES, NQ, and Gold, and it gives you everything you have to know: your daily bias, risk environment, a full game plan, live news from Twitter and Forex Factory, key levels throughout the session, and then technical reads that you wouldn't find anywhere else. If you read through this every single morning, you get all the information that you need. You don't need Forex Factory, you don't need Twitter, you don't need anything else open. Simply run this as close as you can to the 9:30 open to get the most accurate information you can. And guys, use code LAUNCH to get 20% off of that. I'm the full owner, so if you guys have any issues, please DM me. Thank you guys all for watching. If you did learn, comment something down below and throw a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.